In the district of Silver Hill, people learned early not to take Brother Joe lightly. There was something about the way he spoke, soft, careful, almost musical. When Joe said your name, it sounded important. When he smiled, you felt chosen. And when he promised you something, it was easy to believe that he meant it. The old people would shake their heads and say nothing. They knew that a sweet mouth could hide many things. Brother Joe was handsome in an ordinary way. He dressed neatly, walked with confidence, and carried himself like a man who had never been refused. A single gold tooth flashed whenever he laughed, and he laughed often. Women noticed him. Men tolerated him. Over time, it became clear that Joe did not love deeply. He loved briefly. He moved through Silver Hill like a passing breeze, pleasant at first, unsettling once it was gone. One woman would believe she was his future, while another quietly wondered why he had stopped calling. Sometimes he left behind only disappointment. Sometimes he left behind a child. Still, Joe remained untouched. He greeted everyone politely. He attended church when it suited him. He smiled, and life allowed him to continue. Then, one afternoon, Delilah arrived. She was not from Silver Hill, and she made no effort to explain herself. She took up residence in the old wooden house near the silk cotton tree, a place long avoided and rarely spoken of. Delilah was not unfriendly, but she was reserved. She watched more than she spoke. Brother Joe noticed her immediately. He approached her the way he approached all women, with patience and charm. He spoke kindly. He listened carefully. He told her she was different, and this time he almost believed it himself. Delilah listened. She always listened. As the weeks passed, small changes appeared. Joe seemed thinner. His laughter lost its ease. The shine of his gold tooth dulled, and a strange heaviness followed him wherever he went, like damp earth after rain. People whispered, but no one intervened. Joe, for the first time in his life, felt tired. Delilah had not taken his heart. She had taken something quieter, his strength, his certainty, his time. What Joe had spent years taking from others without noticing was now being carefully returned to him. On his final night, Brother Joe sat alone and tried to pray, but the words did not come. His mouth, once so full of sweetness, could no longer form a single plea. By morning, he was found beneath the silk cotton tree. His body was still. His mouth was filled with bitter herbs and soil. No woman came to the funeral. No tears were shed. In Silver Hill, they remembered the saying they had always known: "What is sweet in the mouth turns sour in the belly." And so the story of Brother Joe ended, not with anger or revenge, but with balance.